How to fix Minecraft error code bad. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the Minecraft error code bad. First, make sure you're logged into the Xbox app with the same Microsoft account you use for Minecraft. Try logging out and logging back in to refresh the session. Then, ensure that you have the latest version of the Xbox app installed. Update Minecraft Bedrock if there are any updates available. Next, make sure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes system updates include fixes for game and app interactions. Now, go to Settings in Apps. Find the Xbox app, select Advanced Options, and click Reset. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Check your firewall or antivirus settings to ensure they're not blocking the Xbox app or Minecraft. Now press Windows plus R, type WS Reset, and press Enter to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Uninstall and reinstall the Xbox Identity Provider and gaming services from the Microsoft Store. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.